you're trying to code faster with AI, the confusing part isn't which tool is best, it's which one actually fits how you work. Opencode, Claude, and Codex all write code, but they solve different problems. Opencode is basically a control panel for many models. You connect different AI engines and choose the one you want for each task. Some models inside it are completely free for limited use, while others are pay-as-you-go based on tokens, meaning you only pay for what you generate. So in a real workflow, you might use a cheap model for quick edits, then switch to a stronger one for debugging. But it does have a downside. You manage costs yourself, and beginners can accidentally spend money without realizing which model they selected. Claude Code is more like a careful senior developer. It focuses on understanding large projects and making safer decisions. The Pro plan is about $20 monthly, with higher max tiers around $100 to $200 for heavier use. It works best when you ask it to reason about architecture or refactor code. But I found some downsides. Usage limits reset every few hours, so heavy users may hit walls during long sessions. Codex is closer to an autonomous worker. It runs tasks, edits files, and can execute workflows instead of just suggesting code. Access typically comes with a ChatGPT Plus subscription around $20, while advanced usage or API calls cost per request. That makes it practical for automation and quick implementation. But the trade-off is it sometimes focuses on finishing tasks quickly rather than deeply reasoning through design decisions. So they don't perfectly compete. Claude Code is best for thinking through complex logic. Codex is best for doing tasks automatically. Opencode is best for people who want to switch between multiple AIs and optimize cost. In short, thinker, worker, or control center. Tell me the next comparison you want: AI coding tools, website builders, or startup tools.